guys, what is up everybody? I'm Seshul and you're watching the channel Tackle Cravings. Today we're gonna be making something amazing snack and it's very fun to make. So I'm gonna prepare hash brown. This is an English breakfast, so this can be consumed as evening snack. Very crispy snack. You can have it any time of the day or night or late night. And it's also very fun to make. It's very tasty, it's very crispy. Make sure you're giving this recipe a try and watch this video till the end to find out what amazing stuff which I'm gonna be adding to this, and you can also make that with a whole lot of fun. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So first we will talk about the potatoes. Actually you can use any potatoes. I have a non-starchy potato, so I'm gonna use that. And now we have to peel the skin of the potatoes. I'm doing that for the rest of my potatoes as well. Now after peeling that, I'm gonna wash these potatoes because they are so dirty and it's important. Now that I have my 4 potatoes peeled, now I will grate them. I am not using the smaller ones. As you see, I am using the bigger ones because you get a nice bite of a potato. I'm gonna grate that really well. Now that we have grated the potatoes, and I will take a bowl. On top of that I'm gonna place a cloth. I'm having a plain white cloth here, you can use any cloth. And I'm having these grated potatoes and I'm gonna just put it on above that. And I'm gonna squeeze the water and the starch out of it. Though it is a non-starchy potato, still you will get to see a lot of starch after that. I'm placing all the corners and I'm gonna turn that to squeeze it really well, as you see. This process can be a little messy, but it's okay, you can wash it later on. Now I'm placing all these grated potatoes. I'm gonna keep that in a plate, in a cloth, and I'm just gonna spread that really well to remove the excess water again, and I'm gonna keep that for half an hour. Now you may see there is a color change in these potatoes because there is a lot of oxygen presented in that, which may turn the potatoes to discolor. Now after that, we have drained all the water. I'll place this in a bowl. To that I'll add half a cup of chopped onions. To that 2 tablespoons of garlic or 8 chopped garlics. And a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna mix that really well. And I'm gonna have a half a cup of maida. And I'm gonna mix that really well. The reason we are using maida is to combine everything really well. Now here I have a pan here, then I have a little bit of water and a hash brown mixture. Now we are going to use hand today. So I'm going to apply a little bit of water into my hand. The reason is it should not stick to our hand. If it does, then keep on applying water. And now do the steps which I have been showing here. Now if you see these potato strands hanging out, just keep everything in like packed, because while you're frying them, they get burnt easily. Now that I gave these hash browns a shape, we are just gonna pack that, and I'm gonna freeze this for an hour. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Now as you see, they are a little hardened up. This way it's so easy to fry up. Now I have an oil here, very dense, very shallow fry we're gonna do. And the heat is low to medium. And I'm just gonna take all these hash browns and I'm gonna fry them. In low to medium heat again. As you see, the sides are little golden, you can turn them. Now turn them once the one side is done. Now I'm gonna drain the oil and I'm gonna place it in the plate with tissue so that the excess oil drains. Now this is my favorite part. Here I have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and I'm having 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. And I'm gonna mix that really well. Here I have a teaspoon of chili powder. This gives a little spice to our sauce. And there you go, it's done. Enjoy. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and also comment below what I need to be preparing for further. And please make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell button so you get notified whenever I post new videos. Until then, ciao!